To swap on Uniswap using the SDK setup, start by installing the Uniswap SDK in your project. This can be done by running a command to install the necessary packages. Once installed, import the Uniswap SDK into your script and set up your Ethereum provider. This will allow you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and access Uniswap. Next, define the token addresses you want to swap, including the token you want to sell and the token you want to buy. You can find these addresses on the Uniswap documentation or by searching for the token on a blockchain explorer. Then, create a new instance of the Uniswap router, which is the contract that handles swaps on Uniswap. You will need to specify the Ethereum provider and the router address. After setting up the router, calculate the amount of tokens you want to swap and the amount of tokens you expect to receive. You can use the getAmount to swap and getAmount to receive functions provided by the Uniswap SDK. Now, create a swap transaction using the router instance and the calculated amounts. You will need to specify the token addresses, the amount to swap, and the amount to receive. Finally, send the transaction to the Ethereum blockchain using your Ethereum provider. This will execute the swap and transfer the tokens to your wallet. Throughout the process, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly, and always test your code in a development environment before deploying it to production. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and use the Uniswap SDK to swap tokens on Uniswap. Remember to stay up to date with the latest Uniswap documentation and SDK releases to ensure you have the most recent features and bug fixes.